looking through Pinterest and found a chicken bacon casserole. I'll go ahead and show you what it is. I'll leave a link into the description of where you can find this recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Here's all that's in it. Pretty simple stuff. Starting out with coconut oil to cook the chicken in, because the way the recipe starts, it looks like you're supposed to have the chicken cooked up already, but oh well. It's about 2 pounds of chicken, 1 pound of broccoli cuts, previously frozen and thawed out, tablespoon of minced onion, you use the frozen onions, 1 tablespoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of dill, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of bacon crumbles, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of sour cream, 4 ounces of mayonnaise, and 8 ounces of shredded cheddar. So let me get the chicken cut up and start cooking. 1 moment. Okay, I put a couple tablespoons of coconut oil in the pan to help the chicken cook. I got it cut up and it's cooking on a medium heat. The oven's preheating to 350 degrees, and now I'll put the cream cheese in the microwave for 30 seconds to soften that up a bit. And then once we soften that up, we'll put most of everything else in the bowl and mix it up. 1 moment. In this big bowl, we'll put the cream cheese, the onion, spices, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Don't worry, I'll get that scooped in, but I'm not sure I can do that one-handed. 1 moment. I got the cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, and spices in the bowl, so now I'll mix it up and stir it up. Okay, the chicken has finished cooking, so now I'll go ahead and add it to the cream cheese, sour cream mixture. I let it cool off a little bit before I dumped it in, so it's not like... There we go. And then now I'll add the broccoli and 6 ounces of the cheese. And I'll get that stirred in and mixed up. Okay. The recipe says to spray the 9 by 13 inch baking dish with cooking spray. Unfortunately, I don't have any cooking spray, so I'm just going to use another couple tablespoons of coconut oil. And just use the brush to spread that around. Oops. Fling it all over the place. That's a good important step too. All right. So now we'll dump the mixture into that dish in 1 moment. Okay. Now that I got it in the baking dish, we'll go ahead and put the rest of the cheese on there. Spread that more and less evenly, hopefully, eventually. And then spread the bacon over the top. And now we'll bake it for 35 minutes. Alright, and that's what it looks like when it's done baking. It's makes about 6 to 8 servings, depending on how hungry you are. But yeah, it's pretty easy recipe. Good for keto. It's yeah, that's bacon chicken ranch casserole. I think I'd say that different every time I mention the name. But yep, that's it. Have a nice day.